Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from Jaging and Company Associates, and today I want us to continue the basics of Power BI. And today I want us to talk about the text functions. And under text functions, we have quite a number of functions, but we'll start with merging text. So on my screen here, I have a table for merging text, and the table has 3 columns. So the first column here is for prefix, the second one is for first name, and the third one is for the second name. So we want to merge the 3 columns in such a way that we'll have a full name for each and every individual. So let me just take you to the Power BI desktop so that we can see the procedure. Within Power BI desktop here, I will click on the Home tab, and under Home tab we have under Home tab, we'll click this command for get data, and under get data we have common data sources, but I will just choose from Excel workbook since we are working on Excel workbook, and then I will select text functions, then I'll click open. Then under text functions, I will select here merge text. Then instead of loading, I will click transform. A transform command will take us to Power Query Editor. So we were clicking transform because we want to merge text before we load it into Power BI desktop. So I click transform. So within Power Query Editor, we have Home tab, we have Transform tab, we have Add Column tab, we have View, we have Tools, and we also have Help tab. But we want to use Transform tab, so I will click on Transform. And under Transform, we have quite a number of commands, and we have commands under table. We have commands for any column, we have commands for text column, we have commands for number column, and lastly we have commands for date and time. And then on my right hand side we have query settings, and under query settings we have properties. We also have applied steps. So the applied steps here, the steps that will follow until we merge the columns so that we can have a full name of each and every individual. So what we need to do here, we need to come and select the columns. And after selecting the columns, we will click merge columns. Then we select the separator of the text we are supposed to merge. So we'll choose space. Then the name for my merge text will be, rather the column for the merge text will be full name. Then I will click OK. So you can see we have a full name, a column with each and every individual having a full name. But on the applied steps, you can see I have the last step as merged column. So when I want to go back to where I came from, I will just come and click on this cross sign. Then I will cancel the merged step. Rather, we'll cancel the merge step, and then now you can see we have 3 columns again. But since we wanted to merge them, let me just again select the column, then click merge columns. Then I'll choose again space. Then here still I will write full name. Then I will click OK. Now we need to load our data into Power BI. So I will click Home tab. Then under home tab, I will click this command for close and apply. So when I click when I click close and apply, it will load data into Power BI desktop. So let's just give him a little bit time to load the data that we've just merged into Power BI. So here we have our field for merge text. So when you want to see the contents of our merge text, I will come here and click on this icon for data view. And this is what we have as data view for merged text. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood how to merge text within Power BI desktop. And the same procedure applies when you are using Excel to merge your text. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again in the next video.